After wrapping up at the Venetian, it was finally time for the main event, Lenovo Tech World at the Sphere. I'd been wanting to visit the Sphere for a long time, so this was a big moment for me. The best part, you can actually walk there from the Venetian. As soon as we entered the walkway, the LED lined walls set the tone. It already felt futuristic. The check-in process was quick, though the no bags rule seemed loosely enforced since plenty of people had them. Me and my wife were stressed out because she had to put hers away. Once inside, the red aesthetic hit immediately. It was stunning. The lighting, the reflections, even the floor looked like it was running on Ultra RTX settings. The Sphere is massive, and standing there, looking up at 3 stories of screens, really puts a lot into perspective. They had free food and drinks, so we grabbed some and explored the lobby, checking out the tech demos and new phones on display. Microsoft powered.
Okay, this collection has, I'm gonna leave it right here for people to see. Has a little charm on it. Look at the background. It's all like, you see it? It's all glittery and
When it was time to take our seats, we realized we had some of the best ones in the house, right behind the VIP section. Seeing the Sphere screen in person is something no camera can truly capture. It's immersive, it's surreal, and it's unlike anything else. And then the show began.
Feeling it. This is CES at its most powerful, where the brightest minds and boldest ideas come together to show us what's next. And we're about to experience something extraordinary because Lenovo is taking center stage. Now, Lenovo.
First time I used the zoom out.
Welcome to Lenovo Tech World at CES. Brought to you from generic information or public sources. You want something that is distinctly yours. Lenovo is here to deliver exactly that. Personal AI, designed around the individuals, brought to your fingertips, anywhere and on any device. Enterprise AI, designed around the full value chains in your organizations. Uplifting
your day-to-day operations, empowering your employees. Together with the public AI, they shape a new era, hybrid AI. In fact, a great friend of mine shares a similar vision. Let's welcome the founder and the CEO of NVIDIA, Jensen Huang. Welcome back to Lenovo
Hey,
Tech World.
Las Vegas. Yeah.
So Jensen, we recently had our partnership day at NVIDIA. We showcased our collaboration journey, our joint innovation in full stack of IT hardware, PCs, workstations, high-performance computers, GPU servers, data center, as well as physical AI, robots, and vehicle computing. So this partnership day marked a new milestone in our 3-decade partnership, right?
3 decades, wow.
Yeah.
I don't think we're that old, are we?
Yeah. As Tolga just showed you, technology is here to integrate the data and the knowledge seamlessly across multiple devices, different operating platforms, and various applications among ecosystems. Many of you own multiple devices, a phone, a PC, a tablet, and maybe a smartwatch or smart glasses. Your photos, files, contacts, ideas, and even your entire life experiences are scattered among these devices. Imagine they are all united through one super agent, one personal AI, which learns your patterns and retains short and long-term memory about you. And you can interact with it however you want to, through voice, text, and key. It will then orchestrate across all your devices to deliver a truly personalized AI experience. This one personal AI begins with perception through sensing devices, including wearables such as smart glasses and smart rings, and ambient technologies such as conference room cameras. Your personal AI will see what you see, hear what you hear, all with your permission. After perception comes collaboration across portable, interactive computing devices like PCs, tablets, phones. Your personal AI helps you plan, create, and communicate. It grows as it learns. This is supported by your own private AI compute, an emerging category of personal computing hub that we are pioneering with Project Qubit. Project Qubit provides high-performance, scalable AI compute for personal use, gradually evolving into your trusted companion. Over time, your personal AI becomes your cognitive partner to think as you would think, act as you would act. So how does it work in action? Time for the big reveal. Today, we launched Lenovo Kira, our first personal AI super agent. In China, we call it Tianxi. So it redefines. So it redefines what it means to have technology built around you. Lenovo Kira works on your phone, PC, tablet, or wearable. You just feel the speed. You just heard the power. And it's more than just the racing. It's the fastest enterprise in action. Where are the Formula One fans here tonight? Yes, myself included. Lenovo is the proud sponsor and a global technology partner of Formula One, the most technologically advanced sport in the world. Every Formula One season, teams push the limits of human endurance, collaboration, and innovation with one goal: go faster. At Lenovo, we empower that drive. Each event weekend, the Formula One team transfers 600 terabytes of data. The data is received, stored, processed, and distributed through Lenovo technology. Our PCs, workstations, servers, storages, and advanced solutions. Even more, for the 2026 season, in Formula One's data centers, Lenovo's Neptune liquid cooling solution is significantly boosting energy efficiency over traditional air cooling, saving costs and helping our planet. It takes a powerful, sustainable, and robust computing infrastructure to bring you such a thrilling experience. Formula One is just one of the examples. We actually can help many other industries to smartify their operations. At its heart is a new generation of computing infrastructure. This computing infrastructure market has experienced 4 waves of innovation. The first wave was about the traditional compute, supporting enterprise digitalization. The second wave was cloud compute, driven by the rapid rise of the cloud services and applications. The third wave was definitely AI compute, led by large language models, which need massive CPU, GPU compute clusters. But the AI compute includes training and inferencing. While AI training remains largely on cloud, AI inferencing needs to bring compute closer to where the data is generated. So the next wave definitely will be the booming of AI inferencing. So putting powerful devices on-prem, at the edge, and in your hands will be the trend. When inferencing and the data generation are closely located, so you will get faster responses. If you run a factory, inferencing on edge means you will receive real-time maintenance alerts. So this saves time and money. If you own a chain store, you will get immediate notifications when inventory gets too low. So you will stock the shelves and sell more. AI inferencing on-prem gives you a real competitive advantage. At Lenovo, we are determined to lead in this new inferencing era. So public cloud, private cloud, on-prem data center, and edge together form hybrid computer infrastructure. This will be the foundation to unleash Lenovo hybrid AI advantage. So how does the Lenovo hybrid AI advantage work for you? Besides running on robust hybrid computer infrastructure and working with the enterprise data and the knowledge, it enables you to match the right AI model to the right task, using lightweight models for easier routine checks, such as detecting a defective product, and using more advanced ones for harder, complex challenges, such as production scheduling or demand forecast. Then it orchestrates multiple domain agents to access and extract the relevant information, enabling them to generate plans and take actions. By integrating hybrid computer infrastructure, data and knowledge, AI models, and agent platforms, we build our AI factory and then create a library of AI solutions for full value chain, from sales marketing to services, from R&D to supply chain, from finance HR to legal, and for a wide range of industries, combined with the AI services that are ready for action and ready for you. So this is a Lenovo hybrid AI advanced.
They talked about Lenovo Kira, a personal AI system that integrates seamlessly across Lenovo and Motorola devices, learning user habits and preferences to provide personalized assistance. It can manage tasks, organize information, and even draft social media posts.
Wherever you need AI to be. It works across platforms, from Windows to Android. To show this, please welcome my colleague, Angelina Gomez.
Wow, this stage is unreal, and what a crowd. It's so wild to be up here, and I'm so glad to share this moment with you and with Lenovo Kira, who's quietly powering these concept glasses and keeping me grounded and in the know up here. Hey Kira, are you seeing what I'm seeing right now?
We're at SAPPHIRE in Las Vegas. You are standing in front of a 160,000 square foot screen with an audience of thousands.
Lenovo Kira can use glasses to see what I see and understand my surroundings. Hey Kira, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Lenovo Kira, your personal AI system that lives across your Lenovo and Motorola devices. I'm excited to show Tech World what I can do for you.
Same, let's do this. Okay, it's been a crazy day, and I've been running around backstage, and I haven't had a chance to look at my phone in hours. Hey Kira, catch me up on what I missed today.
Here's what matters. Your sister sent a photo of the kids saying good luck. Mary Kelly emailed about the FIFA briefing tomorrow. The holiday family video you made on your PC is ready.
Perfect. As you can see, Lenovo Kira knows what really matters, from my work to my personal life across all of my devices. Oh, that reminds me, I still need to get my nieces a souvenir. Hey Kira, what should I get the kids when I have free time?
The fashion show, Las Vegas Mall, has Labubus that kids go crazy for. You have free time tomorrow at 11 a.m. Would you like to add a reminder to your calendar?
Yes, please add reminder to calendar. That's right, Lenovo Kira doesn't just suggest things. It actually helps me block the time so I can focus on what really matters. All right, next up, the FIFA briefing, and I definitely need some help. Hey Kira, find the FIFA doc I started drafting. What do you think of this ending?
In recent discussions with the leadership team on FIFA partnership development, I suggest updating the last paragraph with the latest stats.
This is perfect. Okay, format it up and email it back to Mary Kelly. Great. Now that that's sent, this is what really sets Lenovo Kira apart. It doesn't just answer things, it understands my work, my devices, and the moment I'm in. It brings it all together to give me exactly what I need. Okay, well now that that's done, I have one more thing to show you all. This isn't just a necklace. It's actually an AI wearable proof of concept. It's been capturing the important moments from today, of course, with my permission, which means Lenovo Kira already took today's notes, so I don't have to. Now, let's test it out. Hey Kira, what did YY say about you earlier today?
YY said, Lenovo Kira redefines what it means to have technology built around you. It's everywhere you need it to be.
I love that. Okay, let's switch it back to my phone. Hey Kira, I'd like to draft a LinkedIn post about your debut today.
Here's a draft. Today at Tech World, we debuted Lenovo Kira, your new personal AI, live at Sphere. Your Lenovo and Motorola devices stay connected so your day feels coordinated and everything flows. As Tolga said, humans should be free to create, explore, and connect. And speaking of creation, I saved the photo you took outside the Exosphere for your LinkedIn post.
Did you guys see that? I didn't even have to ask. Lenovo Kira pulled everything together behind the scenes. The content from my glasses, the moments my wearable captured, even the perfect photo from my phone. I can't wait to share this on LinkedIn the moment I step off stage. And you guys better go like it. With Lenovo Kira, everything just works together. Your phone, your PC, even your wearables. It's one connected intelligence that keeps up with me effortlessly.
Technological partnerships include discussions with NVIDIA's Jensen Huang on IT hardware and physical AI collaboration, Qualcomm's Cristiano Amon on Snapdragon's role in next-gen AI devices and wearables, and AMD's Dr. Lisa Su on Lenovo's AI inferencing server with AMD EPYC processors for on-premise AI.
Absolutely, so Jensen. So this AI era presents enormous opportunities for both of our companies. So we set a goal to quadruple our business over 3 years, probably can less. So Jensen, you always talk about the 3 waves to prepare AI: accelerated computing, generative AI, and now agentic and physical AI. And yesterday you did a special speech here at the CES. So can you share with our audience what will be the next big thing in AI?
Yeah, you know, when you and I first met, it was during the beginning of the PC revolution.
Yes.
And it was a major platform shift from mainframes and data center client-server systems to personal computers. You and I have seen several other platform shifts since, from PCs to internet to cloud to mobile cloud.
Yes.
And now there's a new platform. The definition of a new platform, and you see a platform shift when applications are built on a different computer.
Yeah.
During that platform shift that we started in, applications started to become built on Windows and PCs. Now, applications are being built on AI. AI is going to be the foundational layer, almost the operating system. These large language models are essentially the operating systems of future applications. But this platform shift is so deeply profound because not only is the platform for applications changing, but the entire computing system underneath is being reinvented.
Absolutely.
From classical applications written on CPUs, running on CPUs, to now AI applications running on GPUs. And so the last 30 years that we've known each other, the last, if you will, $10, $15 trillion of the IT industry's investment now needs to be reinvented, modernized.
Okay, yeah.
Which is the reason why we're looking at these trillion-dollar opportunities ahead of us. Now, this platform shift starts with accelerated computing, and we're now changing the computers from classical to accelerated computing, but now on top of it, we have agentic AI, and we have, or generative AI, and now agentic AI on top of that. So I think this platform shift is just so incredibly profound, and now so many new companies are being started, and just last year, $150 billion of investment went into AI native companies, and companies, gigantic companies, are now shifting their R&D from classical R&D methods to now AI methods.
Yeah, so from a traditional compute to cloud compute, then to AI compute.
That's right.
Yeah, but do you think in the future?
And we, you know, as you know, we created this new system, and this new industry is going to need a new started with Hopper. Hopper was, if you will, the first generation that really took off. And we're now in the generation of Grace Blackwell. And last night, we introduced a new generation called Vera Rubin. Incredible technology, 6 brand new chips, new CPUs, new GPUs, new networking switches. And this entire system is not only incredibly powerful, but it's going to reduce the cost of token generations or the cost of AI generation while increasing the throughput of AI generation. So a big lift, about 10 times generational leap from Blackwell, and Blackwell was 10 times of Hopper.
Yeah.
So the technology is moving incredibly fast.
Man, billions of devices. Look, this is exciting time for technology, but I want to start this conversation by saying it's incredible when two companies have a shared vision of the future. As I was watching YY, presentation and talk about the different scenarios across devices and the experience with personal agents, this is exactly how we think about it at Qualcomm. I feel this could be, like a Qualcomm, event talking about the evolution of Snapdragon, the age of AI. So, and this is incredibly exciting because it's going to materialize on the new class of devices. And I like this concept of intelligent wearables. It's going to be like your true personal AI device that's going to be your companion. And it's interesting because with your permission, it's going to have your data, the data that is relevant to you, the data that is going to stay on device, the data is going to go on the cloud, it's going to react in real time, it's going to be intuitive, it's going to have context, it's going to merge the physical and digital world for you, and it has to be fast, otherwise it's not useful. You need to get an instant response for your agent of your companion. And for us at Qualcomm, we kind of see this is actually the new mobile device category that is going to be alongside your phone. A phone is an incredible thing. It's the #1 consumer electronic device, and it will continue to be there, even though it's changing its nature with processing. But those new classes of personal AI devices are going to be a big opportunity. I actually don't think it's unrealistic to think it's going to go into billions of devices. We see the potential to be to 10 to 100 million in the next couple of years, and it's going to be very big. And what is interesting is the reason we talk about wearables in those personal AI devices is because humans already decided what they're going to wear. And there's going to be glasses and jewelry and pendants and rings and bracelets and pins. And this is the opportunity that the tech industry is going to merge with the fashion industry. And some companies, and I think Lenovo is one of those companies, started to understand this opportunity. And you actually have the ability to make everything smart. And we're incredibly excited about this. And we're working with Lenovo and Motorola in building a multitude of those devices. And they range from smart glasses. It's very intuitive, especially when you think about see what you see, hear what you hear. It moves with your head, but it's going to be necklace, pendants, as you see. You have some pins, as you saw with Maxwell. And this is incredibly exciting opportunity. And to make all of this a reality, you have a lot of technology. So those are very small devices. They have to be power efficient. They have to have a lot of computing. They have to have connectivity. They have to have the ability to run models locally. We're talking about the ability on a Snapdragon chip to run multi-billion parameter model devices in some of those tiny wearable devices. It pushes the boundaries of technology, including we have to reinvent connectivity. We had, for example, the ability to do Wi-Fi and the power profile Bluetooth, so you can go away from your phone and get an IP address and continue to be connected to the agent, all the way to cellular connectivity. It's an incredible opportunity. It is a unique technology that we're doing, I think, with Snapdragon. And some of the things that you saw actually behind the screen, like Kira, there's technology from an always-on low power that is listening to the wake word. It runs a lot of those AI on the device together with the cloud with hybrid AI. And I think this future of hybrid and edge AI is very significant. And I'm going to make a prediction as I finish this conversation. It's very clear to us that the value of the edge data is very significant because the edge data provide real-time context that are unique to you. And I actually believe whoever mastered the ability to harness the edge data and provide something that is relevant to you will be the winner of the AI race. So this is
to hear more, I would like to invite our end-to-end strategic partner to join me. Please welcome Chair and CEO of AMD, Dr. Lisa Su. Welcome back to Lenovo Tech World stage.
It is wonderful to be here amongst all this incredible people.
So Lisa, I just talked about the AI democratization wave is coming. AI inferencing is happening more and more on-prem and on edge. So today, I'd like to invite you to join me in announcing an important product in enterprise AI.
Absolutely, YY. You know, AI is really transforming every industry, and enterprises everywhere are asking the same question. How do I bring AI closer to my data with the flexibility to grow and evolve over time? That's exactly what we're working on together.
Yes, Lisa. So today, we are introducing Lenovo's latest AI inferencing server featuring AMD EPYC processors. So this new server delivers powerful on-prem AI inferencing, so our customers can unlock real-time insights, make faster decisions, and keep their most valuable data secure.
YY, I am so excited to showcase the new ThinkSystem SR675i. It's really a great example of how we're bringing AI closer to where customers' data lives. And with AMD EPYC at the core, we've created an AI-ready platform that delivers outstanding inference performance today with Lenovo and gives enterprises the flexibility to really evolve over time, including future support for AMD Instinct accelerators as part of Lenovo's broad portfolio.
Thank you, Lisa. Next, I'll give you the stage to share a little bit more with our audience.
Thank you. You know, we are at the very early stages of a new era of computing, one where AI becomes a capability that lives everywhere, in data centers, in factories, in hospitals, in PCs, and at the edge. For enterprises, AI can't just be powerful. It has to be open, efficient, and trusted. You need to run AI in the cloud, on-prem, and at the edge, using your own data on your own terms, with the freedom to choose the right mix, whether it's CPUs or GPUs or other accelerators and software. There is no one answer for AI. As inference demand accelerates, AI isn't just growing, it's accelerating. Customers are asking for systems that can handle much larger models and higher throughput inference, not just a single server at a time. And that's why rack-scale AI infrastructure is becoming so important. To further build on our partnership, I'm really pleased to share that Lenovo will be one of the earliest system providers to adopt AMD's Helios rack-scale AI architecture. Helios is a new blueprint for AI infrastructure, the foundation for the next era of compute. It brings together AMD EPYC CPUs, Instinct GPUs, Pensando networking, and our ROCm open software stack into an open integrated platform for large-scale AI workloads. At the center is our next-generation AMD Instinct accelerator, the MI455X. It is absolutely the most advanced chip we've ever built. Designed for massive throughput, an industry-leading amount of high-bandwidth memory, and the efficiency to power the most demanding AI systems in the world. With Lenovo adopting Helios, customers will have a clear path from on-prem enterprise workloads on the ThinkSystem SR675i to the most demanding training and distributed inference workloads on rack-scale AI systems using the same AMD end-to-end technologies together with Lenovo. We really believe that the future of compute is built on deep collaboration across the entire ecosystem. We're building this end-to-end portfolio, and I am so proud of the partnership between AMD and Lenovo because we really are across all areas, from EPYC CPUs and Instinct GPUs here in the data center to adaptive computing and Ryzen AI on the PC, all on an open software foundation. Customers can deploy AI wherever it creates the most value, and that will change over time. Together with Lenovo, we are delivering performance, openness, and choice, so AI investments can translate into real-world business outcomes. Now let me invite YY back to the stage.
In the segment on enterprise AI solutions, Lenovo highlights how its AI technology is employed by major companies such as Formula One for real-time data processing and the Sphere for high-resolution content rendering.
Please join me in welcoming the president and CEO of Sphere, Jennifer Koster. So Jen, it's great to be with you here in this incredible venue. I think when people think of the Sphere, they think of an experience unlike anything else, a place where technology meets creativity at a scale few could have imagined. So Jen, over to you.
Thank you, Ashley. At Sphere, our mission is to bring wonder to the world. And there's advanced technology behind every aspect of how we do that. It's designed around the experiences we want audiences to have. Sphere is an experiential medium, one where you're not just watching content, you're immersed in it through sight, sound, scent, feel, and emotion. As you've seen today, these immersive experiences can take you anywhere. And that innovation behind so much of what we do at Sphere begins at Sphere Studios, where our artists and technologists imagine and create experiences to transport audiences together. And to push boundaries this far, we need bold partners, equally committed to innovation. And Lenovo is one of those partners. Lenovo understands the scale, the complexity of what we create, and the infrastructure and expertise is powering many of the high-speed workflows that are fueling what you're seeing here today. So one of the best examples of Big Sky, our proprietary camera system, nothing existed that could capture imagery at the scale and quality needed for this display. It's the highest resolution LED screen in the world. So, like much of the technology powering Sphere, we had to design and build it ourselves. And now, we have 5 patents issued, 10 more pending in the US, and applications filed around the world. Each element of Big Sky is a leap in innovation. From the first of its kind 18K sensor to how we process the data. We're delivering 40 times the resolution of 4K with frames that are more than 70 times larger than traditional HD. Big Sky generates 30 gigabytes per second of raw data. As you can imagine, this requires extraordinary compute power. And that's where Lenovo helps make the impossible possible. Lenovo's workstations and infrastructure transform Big Sky's raw data into full-color images, along with handling the complex grading, compositing, and rendering. It's a true fusion of technology and creativity. And without Lenovo, we couldn't move from capture to final render at the quality or the speed that we need. And as you can see, the results speak for themselves. So now we're really excited to show you more about Big Sky and how, with the help of Lenovo and their processing power, we are pushing boundaries to bring wonder to the world. One last thing, pay attention to the final shot for a world-first look at some mind-blowing footage captured by Big Sky. It's from a place that very few people have had the opportunity to visit.
itself is ambitious. It required an ambitious studio to realize that vision. Every show here demands novel thinking. Our medium is immersive, where the audience is part of the experience. To do that, we designed a screen sharper than the eye can see. And because there isn't a camera in the world that can fully meet the resolution demands of our media plane, we invented one.
We have been given an opportunity to create a tool that abets a completely new way of thinking. Big Sky isn't just the highest resolution camera system in the world. Big Sky is an entire ecosystem. A capture platform that includes lenses, recording media, bespoke accessories, and a whole end-to-end pipeline from pixel in to pixel out. It's a complete rewrite on how we approach images. It's an incredible feat of engineering. I mean, the lens follows you. The resolution and pixel density of our cameras and display planes is guided by what we need to trick the brain into seeing reality, turning our screen into a window and convincing audiences that they are somewhere they're not. We've designed systems to long-line Big Sky 200 feet off a helicopter, hundreds of feet underwater, hard-mounted to a race car, a roller coaster. We want to take you to places you can't otherwise go. We have a workshop with equipment designed to make this camera as usable and as functional as possible. And our foot's still on the gas. We're continuing to innovate and evolve and push boundaries on what is possible in every way.
You're so immersed in the storytelling and what's going on the screen and around you. We use our capture platform to make that happen. Those skies in the Wizard of Oz experience were shot in spectacular fidelity with Big Sky. The footage is 18K by 18K, 60 frames per second uncompressed. The unprecedented volume of data is matched only by the processing power of the Lenovo workstations that we rely on. That's the foundation of our partnership with Lenovo.
Sphere is one of one. It's not just a venue. It's the most powerful canvas in the world for artists, brands, and audiences. Big Sky has transported audiences all over the globe, and now it's taking us even further.
Wow, amazing. Thank you, Jen. Thank you, Sphere. What you just saw is what happens.
Lenovo's partnership with FIFA is showcased, highlighting AI technology that enhances the viewing experience with 3D player avatars and real-time referee views. Additionally, a FIFA-branded Motorola Razr phone is announced.
Lenovo worked with FIFA to create a customized enterprise knowledge assistant called Football AI Pro. Now, this next-gen solution directs a whole team of AI agents to search FIFA's vast data and deliver the right information in seconds. Now, here's what that looks like in action. Coaches can consider how their tactics could be worked against an opponent before their next match. And players get personalized match analysis. And analysts can compare team patterns using video clips and even 3D avatars that bring data to life. And Football AI Pro understands multiple languages. So it can interact with all 48 teams who will be competing at the 2026 World Cup. It is one step closer to the Lenovo vision of smarter AI for all. Now, get ready for a look at more ways Lenovo is working with FIFA to elevate global football. Thank you, and enjoy.
Everyone in the audience, let me hear it from the football fans. Again, myself included. Lenovo proudly sponsors the most popular sport on the planet, global football. The FIFA World Cup 2026, enabled by Lenovo AI, will be the biggest event in the history of our community. Lenovo is the global technology partner for FIFA, providing complete IT solutions. Our infrastructure technology helps referees make offside calls with confidence and almost no delay. We are creating AI-enabled 3D avatars so that the world's greatest players are represented more realistically than ever before. You will also see a stable field angle of the game, brought to you by the AI-enabled referee view solution from Lenovo. If you are a user of Lenovo and Motorola devices, you will get the first access to this amazing new footage delivered straight to your phones or PCs. Now, it's my honor to be joined by my friend, the president of FIFA, Gianni Infantino.
Hello, Vegas. No, hello, Vegas. Do you hear something?
Yeah.
Hello, Las Vegas.
Hello.
Okay, now.
Hi, Gianni. So football, we all know, unites billions of people across every culture, every continent. At Lenovo, our vision is smart technology for all. So Gianni, how can we use AI to make football more inclusive, more accessible?
Well, why, my friends, thank you for having me here in Las Vegas once again. Hello, Las Vegas.
Yeah.
That's good. And of course, congratulations for everything you are doing. It is absolutely stunning, isn't it?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, shall we clap hands for Wei? But the best comes now. First, let me tell you, the FIFA World Cup in 2026 is going to be the greatest show ever on planet Earth. 7 million people will attend the 104 matches, which are actually 104 Super Bowls. Dozens of millions of fans will travel to the United States, to Canada, and to Mexico to feel the FIFA World Cup vibe. And listen to that, 6 billion people will watch it from home. The world will stand still.
Amazing.
And now, this. FIFA and Lenovo will fully embrace artificial intelligence, football AI, to support teams and players, while also providing new mind-blowing experience to fans worldwide.
Cannot wait for that.
Absolutely. Today, we launch Football AI Pro, a generative AI knowledge assistant. With Football AI Pro, we will democratize access to data by providing the most complete set of football analytics to all 48 competing teams, and soon, of course, to the fans as well. Thanks to Football AI, the next generation of the referee view, you know, this little camera, thanks to which we all see exactly what the referee sees. Well, this camera will show us new AI-enabled stabilized pictures to make the viewing experience absolutely unique. As if you are in the center of the field together with the players. And a third, feature of Football AI will be that with AI-enabled 3D players' avatars, we are introducing precise player identification and tracking, which is a big, big advantage for our semi-automated offside technology, which means great images, faster decisions by the referees, and a clear understanding by everyone. But of course, dear friends, this is just the beginning. So my message to all the fans worldwide is, stay tuned, because more exciting developments with Football AI will come to create unforgettable experiences in the months and years ahead. Lenovo and FIFA, we are teaming up for the benefits of fans and football alike. That is exactly what smarter technology for all means. Together, we are ensuring that innovation benefits every player, every team, and every fan everywhere in the world, and of course, benefits the greatest game of all, football.
So Gianni, that's such an inspiring message. Lenovo AI is powering the FIFA World Cup this year, and I'm confident that it will be a great success. So Gianni, I actually have prepared a gift for you. Actually, it's the latest.
A ticket for the World Cup, or?
Yes, so definitely. It's the last product announcement for today. We are launching this FIFA branded Motorola Razr. It's the FIFA World Cup 26th edition.
It's for me?
It's for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's so special. Look at this. It's absolutely fantastic.
So this will be available as soon as next month. This phone will be sold through another global networking partner of FIFA, Verizon. So it shows how two of your biggest global partners can work together to bring the game to fans everywhere. So Gianni, thank you for joining me today.
Well, thank you so much, my friend. We say that what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, but what happens here today, you have to bring it all over the world. Thank you very much. Thank you for this fantastic partnership.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Lenovo Qira provides a summary of the event, reiterating Lenovo's commitment to smarter AI for all, and that's how they ended the Lenovo Tech World showcase. But from breakfast at Mandalay Bay to the glowing red lights of the Sphere, it was a day packed with tech, connections, and unforgettable moments. Lenovo Tech World wasn't just another event, it was a glimpse into the future, all wrapped inside one of the most incredible venues in Las Vegas. And after it was all over, we even got a live performance from Gwen Stefani, and she played all her hits, which was actually a lot of them. If you don't want to see that, then I appreciate you for tuning in, and make sure to catch next week's episode when I tour big PC brand suites and check out some new GPUs. And for the rest of you that stayed and watched the show, enjoy the concert.
We're heading back to the hotel, so it's been a long day, a lot of back and forth, and the Sphere was awesome. Did you have a good time, babe?
Yeah, it was really fun.
Jeez. Well, see you guys tomorrow.
Thank you for watching another video from Top 3 Entertainment. I hope you hit like and subscribe. Also, I'm going to have a recommended playlist, a recommended video right here, so make sure to click that as well. I appreciate you guys tuning in, whether it be to the Top 3 Tech, Top 3 Gaming, or the Why Not Me podcast. You guys are dope. I hope to see you guys in the next video. And of course, let's grow this thing together. Peace. Peace. Peace.